All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing offer fast and reliable emergency roofing repair in Willow Grove, Pennsylvania, protecting your home or business from leaks, water damage, and structural issues. Our experienced team swiftly responds to storm damage, fallen trees, high winds, and leaks, providing thorough assessments, temporary fixes, and high-quality repairs to restore your roof's integrity with expert craftsmanship. Call our emergency roofing repair if you have any questions. Are you looking for an emergency roofing repair near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing. Will you provide a temporary fix before a full repair? We often apply temporary solutions such as tarping or sealing leaks to prevent further damage before completing a permanent repair. Can emergency roofing repairs be covered by insurance? In many cases, insurance policies cover emergency roofing repairs, especially if damage is caused by storms, falling debris, or unforeseen accidents. We can assist with documentation for your claim. What is your service area for the Willow Grove, Pennsylvania service office? Our emergency roofing repair serves the following: Willow Grove, Horsham, Warrington, Doylestown, Newtown, Bensalem, Hatfield, Lansdale, North Wales, Plymouth Meeting, Collegeville, Southampton, Jenkintown, Bluebell, Ambler, Eagleville, Warminster, Feasterville, Trevose, Langhorne, Holland, Pennsylvania. Where is your Willow Grove, Pennsylvania emergency roofing repair office located? We are located at 2220 Maplewood Avenue, Willow Grove, Pennsylvania 19090. Our phone number is 267-209-8878. Visit our website www.aproofer.com/willow-grove-pa.